Hey guys, it's Hamza with Prime Trade Exchange. Now, this is a video showing you how to transfer USDT to Wire within minutes with our platform. Now, before I start this video, you can hit me up on WhatsApp and we can do this for you from A to Z. Or you can go to our platform and you can do everything by yourself. Some people like to hit me up, hey, this is my bank information. You'll give me the bank information. Here, what's the wallet? You send me the money, I'll send it straight to your bank account. Or you can use this platform, all right? Very easy, very simple. Follow with me. So we're gonna continue with Google and I'm gonna sign in under my username, okay? After you log in right here, right? This is gonna be your dashboard. You can move money, deposit, withdraw, exchange. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna deposit the money, the USDT right here. Okay, and then after depositing, we're gonna move it to our bank account. So all you gotta do is deposit. After you hit deposit, you're gonna copy the USDT address, which is right here. And after you do that, you're gonna go to your TRC wallet, okay? And you're gonna transfer out how much you wanna transfer. So I wanna transfer today $20,000 to my bank account, okay? So all you gotta do is just go right here. If you have TRC wallet, it's gonna work perfectly. If you have Trust Wallet, it's gonna work perfectly. But just be careful you have the right address, okay? I copied it from here, so I'm gonna do is paste it right there, right? And just make sure that we have the right address, TVR, and then it ends in NVBI, okay? Simple. Make sure you have that correct. If you have the wrong letters, your money's gone. You click next. We're gonna do max, which is $19.99. They take $1 for a fee. All right, and we're gonna sign it, and after we sign it, we're gonna confirm it. Now it went out our bank account. Okay, now it should be in the wallet in your platform. All right, so we're gonna refresh the page, and right there you see that there's $20,000. We're gonna move the money now. All right, so this is my dashboard right here. You're gonna see wallets, beneficiaries, transaction history. I can go on, but I just want to show you how easy it is. The rest of it, we can move on with a tutorial one-on-one with me and you. All right, so we're gonna move the money, right? And we're gonna select the beneficiary, which is the bank account. So I'm gonna select my bank account, and you can add as many bank accounts as you want under your business. And we're gonna go ahead and transfer it to CP Wireless One, which is one of the biggest vendors. All right, which is me. You're gonna insert the invoice that you put on here, right? So I already have an invoice, so I'm just gonna take a picture of this. All right, there we go. We're gonna enter the memo. So I'm gonna put 20K USDT to Wire. All right, and after that, we're gonna put $20,000, and it's gonna tell you how much you receive according to how much we're charging. Now, the rates differentiate every single month, every single week. Sometimes it lasts for a month or two, sometimes it doesn't. This does not last. So this is not your fee. This is my fee for the time being. We do big volume. You might not do as big volume. And sometimes the wire fee depends on how much wire to USDT ratio it is. All right, so discuss with me the fees. All I'm showing you is how fast it is. So all you gotta do is just maximize. I'm gonna do 20,000. I'm gonna receive 19,935. It's gonna refresh in 15 seconds. So I need to do this quickly. I'm gonna confirm that payment right here to my bank account. Bam, and it's confirmed. All right, now that is it. That's how easy it is to use our platform. It will hit within 10 to 15 minutes. We do big volumes for all kind of customers. 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, 700,000, even a million. As you can see right here, 730, 150, 390, 120. We do big volumes every single day. If you want your own quotation or your own platform, you can hit me up. If you don't want your platform and you want me to do everything for you, you can do that as well. That's how easy it is to transfer USDT to Wire. This is fully legal in the USA. We have full documentation. This is not illegal, all right? It's a misconception. Thank you for watching my video, and Assalamu alaikum.